Wow, a beautiful poem. Definitely, we must love each other. Wait, Safa, what do you bring?
I bring the bottle of water.
Itu ada hubungannya sama sains nggak sih?
Of course! Now let's watch Magic Science! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome wonderful father and mothers to our special event today. Science is fun.
I would like to introduce myself. I'm Kinan from 6A.
And I am Vika from 6B. The two of us will guide the exciting science experiment this morning.
Yeah, but before we will witness and learn directly from the amazing experiment that presented by our friends.
That's right. But before that, we want to warm up the atmosphere with our science slogan.
When we say science is,
Parents answer fun.
let's try it.
Science is
One more time with more energy.
Science is
But we are not alone. We are joined by our three amazing and enthusiastic friends.
They are Triple F, Fatih, Vira, and Fadil.
Our first experiment is called chemical chameleon. It's called chemical chameleon because it can change colors like a chameleon, you know.
This experiment will be guided by our friend Fatih.
Hello, mothers and fathers. My name is Fatih from 6B. Today, I'm gonna do an experiment about chemical chameleon. These are the following tools. The first is caustic soda. The second is sugar. The third is water. Then potassium permanganate. Now let's get started. First, add 1 teaspoon of caustic soda. The second is 1 teaspoon of sugar. And now stir it with water. Now use another glass and add potassium permanganate. Now mix with water. Now mix. Now mix it and wait till the color turns green.
Wow, that's amazing. How did that happen?
This reaction is called redox, or called as reduction and oxidation. The color change occurs when the potassium transforms into other manganese compounds with different color.
Okay, now the next experiment is called egg white foam. It expands like a volcano.
Hello, father and mother. My name is Fadil, and this is my friend.
Hi, I'm Kinan. Now first we prepare the tools and materials.
1 egg white, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 100 ml of vinegar, green food coloring, glass, and spoon.
First, we put the egg white into a glass and add 3 tablespoons of baking soda and stir it.
Cek.
And then in another glass, mix the vinegar and the green food coloring.
Pour the vinegar and food coloring into the glass containing the egg white and baking soda.
Wow, that's amazing. What happens if the foam comes out from the glass?
This is a combination of physical change stirring and chemical reaction. Vinegar plus baking soda. When shaken, the egg white traps air and forms a foam structure.
Baking soda is basic, but vinegar is acidic. When they react, they produce carbon dioxide gas, or you can say CO2. This gas enters the egg white foam and causing it to expand and become more stable. Our last experiment is a bit thrilling. It's called water bomb. Don't worry, there's no explosion, only the plastic will explode.
This experiment will be quite by Vira and me.
Hello fathers and mothers. Hello fathers and mother, my name is Vira and this is my friend.
Hello, I am Vika.
First, you can prepare the materials and tools. First, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon citric acid, 100 ml water, a few drops of food coloring, and some tissue, and plastic Ziploc bag snack size. First, pour the baking soda in the tissue. And then flip it, become a little pillow.
In the Ziploc bag, add a half of teaspoon of citric acid, a 100 ml water. Put the food coloring inside the water.
And then put the little pillow, but don't make it mix.
Within a minute, the bag will explode.
And it explodes
Wow, how did the bag explode?
because in the inside of the Ziploc bag there is oxygen CO2.
Wow, we just witnessed 3 amazing experiments without the foam and sound.
From the chemical chameleon that changes color, the egg foam, and the mini explosion of the water bomb.
And most importantly, our experiment
Is
success!
Thanks for watching our experiment.
See you on the next experiment, and remember,
Science is